Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. So at first, just make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube channel. On the top right hand side, you can see your channel profile picture. Just click on it and make sure you're in the right channel. And after that, what you want to do is just click on the profile picture again and go to YouTube Studio. Then just wait for it to load. And from the left hand side, you'll see an option called Settings. Just click on it. Then from here, you'll see something called Channel. Click on that. And after that, just go to the Advanced Settings tab. Then just scroll all the way down. And under Other Settings, you'll find Remove YouTube Content. Just click on it. Then it will take you to another web page. From here, you might need to sign into your Google account again. And after that, you'll get two options. One is I want to hide my content. Another is I want to permanently delete my content. Select the second one. Now here, read through everything carefully and just click on check if you agree to it. Then just click on delete my content. And after that, you need to just type your channel name over here. Just type it exactly the same and click on delete my content. And after that, your channel will be deleted permanently. And basically that is it. And that is how to delete your channel permanently. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.